4.
We out here in the fucking blizzard. We're fucking drunk. We out here getting interviews. Yeah.
Hey, bro,
you're not wearing a jacket.
I'm toasty.
Look at her. She's
I'm so good.
She's wearing a jacket.
What? Me? Oh, I don't even need this. I'm good. I don't even need this.
Take it off! 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 Make a snow angel! Make a snow angel! Make a snow angel!
Oh my God!
His body is so warm.
Dude, that is hey. It's a good day to drink. It's a good day to drink. Hey, it's another day in paradise. It's a good day to drink. Soak a little pot, little cop, little 12.
You already know. You already know. You already know.
Hey, you're out here without a jacket. Kind of cold. Are you?
Yes.
You're on the phone?
Yep.
Calling an Uber?
No.
Everything okay?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You're on the phone.
was about to hit me. We out here, bro.
Gang.
Hey, it's kind of cold, bro. It's the middle of March.
Man, it's cold as fuck. My nipples hard.
Nipples hard.
Hey, bro, hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Oh, what's good?
You ever had enough beers? It's a jacket. It's a jacket. Enough beers? It's a jacket. You know a hoe never get cold.
Hey, bro.
Yeah.
Good eye, Mike.
Hey, we're with the Lucky Charms. We're with the Lucky Charms, folks. So what's going on? Hey,
This is heritage, not hate. Heritage, not hate.
If you eat just the mushrooms, you is just a bitch. You need to eat the other stuff.
This is heritage, not hate. We need Siggy ribs out here. Yes. Can we?
Oh, you want this? Yes. Siggy? Hey, we're breaking bread with Siggy's. How long you guys been out here? You guys seem, you guys aren't wearing jackets
about
or
10
anything.
a.m.
Hey, calm down, bro. Calm down. Since how long?
10 a.m.
You guys been drinking since 10.
10 a.m. We just
10.
getting started.
You guys can have that. That's yours.
Thank you.
Hey, be safe out here. Be safe.
They won the cigarette giveaway. Hey,
You're waiting in line for what?
Butterfly. It's my first time.
Wow.
first time?
21?
Are you guys dating?
Yeah, I just turned 21.
You guys are not dating?
Oh, happy birthday.
Thank you.
What are we waiting in line for?
What are we waiting in line for? We are waiting for
hold up.
a reason to fill the void. We're looking for something to just keep the time passing. You know, you can't think about the void of life. It's just inevitable, you know?
Darkness, my old friend.
Living. What do you do for a living? What do you do?
Unicat.
Unicat. Is that like the Unabomber?
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Depends what day of the week it is.
All right, bet. Hey, you guys are out here. Hoodie, no jacket. What's up with that?
Hey, hosts don't get cold.
Hey, you hear it first. Thank you, sir. Run through a fucking blizzard?
Running through the fucking blizzard! Hey! Hey! Running through the blizzard! Holy fuck. Oh, we're here.
Hey, how's it going?
I really hope I got that.
Thank you.
Oh shit, we downtown Orlando.
All right.
You can cut it. Alright.